Kedam tangjang mini pai kep ani dipu birla along kedo hotel hempi along all party hills leaders conference ahin pen kewangji lok sabha surihini ro inquire planning kana baha song pen akimanga son mate election manifesto paklang pon bangso election manifesto kapaklang ahut APHLC MP candidate jai kathar pen danglok dun mepu rajasti so kongjun bang sarkiri rong phar pen danglok ki ongdung APHLC ratatum chetong dun Bangso hut election symbol aputhak bangso na pit pen si pidong apu pen danglok kichia so tumaphan voter list pen danglok longlia pata long pen amendo an kang thanjia phan pen aki pilo pusi ningje pon
this is for working, not only speaking now, not only enlightenment. We have done enlightenment with torch, with light. Now people are enlightened. We will still do enlightenment, but now we have to work. We promised that we will cut out the names of illegal non-tribal people from the voter list and from land pata. So we need scissor now to cut them. So we have taken scissor. Itu kapathe ang akam ke torch pen claim lo non ke akam se claim nang po dasi Election Commission of India pen itu phan la KCC nang pidyan lo illegal la kichia domen kang phan kang tipya phan la pen voter list pen amen kang tipya phan la pen podong pul ka kang tip pet dia phan ti litoman KCC nang pila
Manifesto along ki paklang kona tengki di mahasau along university lapen medical college kang pupon japhan West Karbiang long along sitami medical college lapen university kang pupon japhan siding ponpo inglong aso ariso ejanga phan methanga keng pen katar jap thek japhan lak kep an akera pipajer ponpo pupen danglok ki ongdunga ke mangjong ponsi election manifesto along paklang pon
di mahasau ami medical college alu university tat khulibuloi ami kam korim aru West Karbiang Longmatu university aru medical college khulibuloi ami kam korim aru manu bilakok jibilak we will those indigenous youths will receive training in hardware and shopkeeping coupled with financial assistance, rupees 10 lakhs loans at a mere 2% interest. Ami hetu dia hobo. Aru ensuring timely salary payment. Aji kali manu bilak monthly salary dormoha napai. Teacher hokole ketiaba ek bosorun napai. Ek bosorur besikoi teneka telele dormoha napai. Aji kali pule 6 mahot ebar dia hoy. Hetu no hobo. Ami protek mahate dia hobo. Salary hetu ami kam korim. Mitigating economic migration. Hetu economic migration hetu to already koa hoise. Iyar pora gusi jai.
News report Harsing Ronghang KATV News.